Now, doctors versus Ramdev tussle has now escalated. Now, doctors all across the country, major doctors associations have come together, and today they have started their protest against Ramdev. Though essential services were not hit, but most of the doctors in big hospitals have been wearing black bands to protest against the remarks made by Ramdev against allopathy and doctors.
अरेस्ट तो वो जो है उनका बाप भी कोई नहीं कर सकता संग्राम देव को।
लाखों लोगों की मौत एलोपैथी की दवा खाने से हुई है। एलोपैथी एक ऐसी स्टूपिड और दिवालिया साइंस है।
अपने आप को ही नहीं बचा पाई, वो कैसी डॉक्टरी। तो मैंने कहा डॉक्टर बनना है तो स्वामी रामदेव जैसा बन, जिसके पास में कोई डिग्री नहीं और सबका डॉक्टर है।
These are some of Ramdev's earlier statements against allopathy. And doctors obviously are not very happy, despite an apology by the yoga guru. Doctors on Tuesday marked a black day against Ramdev by wearing black bands. Staff at several hospitals held demonstrations with placards. Some doctors on duty even displayed PPE kits with messages.
पीएम मोदी जी एक तरफ कह रहे हैं कि वैक्सीन की तरफ जाएं और ये कह रहे हैं कि वैक्सीन मत लगाएं। इनको एपिडेमिक के तरफ इनको गिरफ्तार करना बहुत लाजमी है। अगर नहीं किया तो कितनी जानों का खतरा हो सकता है पूरे भारत में।
All doctors are hurt by his statements, which he is saying again and again against the modern medicine, against those COVID warriors who has lost their lives. 1,200 to 1,400 doctors in the country have lost their lives treating the patients since the first wave of the COVID pandemic.
Deliberately telling again and again, he is telling the same thing, and he is not even apologized before also. And I'm thinking he's not even going to apologize. We want government to take action against him under the Epidemic Act.
Actually, Baba Ramdev or Lala Ramdev, I can say, is an anti-science person who does not believe in science, is having zero scientific temperament, and is only interested in promoting all his brands.
The Doctors' Body IMA, which is at the forefront of the protest against the Ayurveda proponent, is seeking a written apology of 1,000 crore for defamation.
Wearing black badges and holding these placards, the Resident Doctors Association at AIIMS is protesting against Baba Ramdev for his statements. Doctors across the country are protesting today and asking for criminal charges against Ramdev under the Epidemic Diseases Act as well as other sections of the IPC, including defamation of the entire medical profession. The doctors also say that Ramdev's statements could potentially encourage people to not take vaccines, which will have a very serious detrimental effect on the way the country is tackling the COVID epidemic.
Ramdev has maintained that he is not against modern medicine, but against disrespect of Ayurveda and calling it a pseudoscience.
आयुर्वेद का अपमान क्यों, योग का अपमान क्यों, अनादर क्यों? और बार बार IMA जो कि जो है बल्ब को, पेंट को और साबुन तेल को उसको प्रमाणित करने का काम कर रहा है और कोरोनिल को अप्रमाणिक कह करके और आयुर्वेद की मजाक उड़ाता है। विवाद मात्र इस बात से, मैंने कहा है।
The big question is, amid this pandemic, will this allopathy versus Ayurveda face-off see an end anytime soon? With Anisha Mathur and Ashutosh Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.